20. This is heat number 8. All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Clock just warming up to run. We're about 40 seconds in. Minute 20 still to go. Mookie with a 48.5. He's inside the top 16, but going to try and climb up that ladder. Sparky the Gray with a 50.6. Those are the opening lap times. 50 seconds still to go, 5-0. There's a 70.4 for Beard Machine, FPV. Mookie on to lap number 3 now. That's a 38.5, 30 seconds still to go. His next one's got to be a 33-second lap time if he wants a 4th, but so far, 3 laps. If you got 3 laps, you're in the top 16, give or take, so far. On to lap 3, we go Sparky the Gray as well. 10 seconds remaining on the master race clock. There's ding. It's a checkered flag the next time you go through our 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship start-finish gate. Some people cheering on Infinite FPV on our YouTube live stream. I think you're going to have to wait a bit for him to come up. So 3 laps, 2:09 for Mookie. That's going to move him up into 7th. Very nice. Sparky the Gray, 3 laps, 2 minutes 22. That's going to move him up to 11th. Yeah, it looks like we move into about 25th with Beard. No move for Beard Machine FPV. And that one is in the books.